Hi guys, this is a new video about TikTok, and today we will show you how to block someone on TikTok. So before we created this special video about how to ban someone on TikTok. So what is the difference between these two settings? So in the first case, when you want to ban someone, you just create a request to remove the existence of account. For all the time or for the selected time, but in the other situation, when you want to block someone, you just only remove the access for this account to send you message, to check your created TikTok, to have communication with you. So this block option is easier than the ban one. So how to block someone? Let's go to the TikTok application. As you can see, we are on our profile page, and right now we will choose the account to block. So we will choose the following section here, and as an example we will choose this one, HardReset.Info. So let's tap on the three dots icon, and after let's pick on the block option. Let's tap on the block again, and as you can see, this account is blocked, so you cannot receive message to them, and this account cannot to send message to you. So to unblock it, let's tap on this red K, tap on the unblock option again, and as you can see right now, you unblock this this account again smoothly without any troubles, and you can choose this option a lot of times without any problems. So guys, if this video was useful and needful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info please channels. Goodbye.